Have you ever seen people in their 70s, still walking fast, still laughing loudly, and looking like they're living their best years? What helps them do that? Not a magic pill. Not special genetics. It's the longevity plate, how they eat every day to nourish life, restore cells, and keep their bodies flexible. In today's video, we'll explore a special plate, where each dish is not just food, but a natural medicine to help you live strong, clear, and happy after 60. Speech balloon. Before we begin, if you're on a healthy and long life journey, please subscribe to the Wellness Roots Journey channel, like, share this video, and leave a positive comment yellow heart so I have more motivation to create useful videos every day. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Herb. Imagine your plate as a small garden, where the green of vegetables blends with the red of tomatoes, the yellow of pumpkins, the purple of cabbages. Each of those colors is a language that your body understands. Green vegetables like kale and spinach contain vitamin K and natural calcium, which help strengthen bones and reduce joint degeneration. Carrots, pumpkins, and tomatoes contain beta-carotene and lycopene, which help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Something men over 60 should pay special attention to. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that people who eat at least 5 servings of vegetables a day have a 25% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. And the best part? Vegetables not only nourish your body, but also make your spirit lighter and more relaxed. When you look down at your plate full of bright colors, it is not just a meal, but a vibrant soundtrack of health. After age 60, the body begins to lose muscle mass, a phenomenon called sarcopenia. But the good news is, protein is the building block of youth. Instead of heavy red meat, choose easier to digest protein sources: omega-3 rich salmon, hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, or organic soy. Salmon not only builds muscle, it also nourishes joints, helping to reduce morning stiffness and improve flexibility. Try a salmon bowl with steamed vegetables, olive oil, and quinoa, a simple dish that nutritionists recommend for people over 60. Eat this 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll notice less joint pain, clearer thinking, and deeper sleep. Carbs aren't bad, refined carbs are the culprit. Instead of white bread, choose whole grains, sweet potatoes, quinoa, or brown rice. These foods release energy slowly, helping you keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day, avoiding fatigue or dizziness after meals. A bowl of oatmeal in the morning with ripe bananas, chia seeds, and raw honey is sustainable fuel for your body after 60. It's a meal that will make your heart stronger, your mind sharper, and your mood calmer. Your body needs lubrication after 60. And good fats are just that. Extra virgin olive oil, avocados, nuts like almonds and walnuts contain omega-3s and vitamin E, which help fight inflammation, protect joints, and keep skin smooth. A tablespoon of olive oil a day is not only good for the heart, but also helps reduce the risk of Alzheimer's, according to research from Harvard Health. Don't be afraid of fat. Just choose the right kind, natural, unrefined. Your body is fighting what are called free radicals every day, invisible enemies that cause cells to age. But there are some unsung heroes: blueberries, raspberries, and grapes. They contain anthocyanins, compounds that help the brain work more sharply and the heartbeat more steadily. Harvard research shows that people who eat berries 3 times a week have brains that are 2.5 years younger than their actual age. With just a small handful a day, you are helping your memory, eyesight, and immune system get stronger every day. Think of your body as a marvelous machine, fine-tuned over decades. But after 60, it needs different fuel: lighter, smarter, and more nutritious. This is where superfoods come into your diet. Not marketing trends, but foods that science has shown can help prolong life, improve memory, and boost cellular energy. Avocado provides good fats, reduces arthritis, and improves vitamin absorption. Broccoli and kale contains sulforaphane, which helps cells fight oxidation, slowing tissue aging. Fish, salmon, and sardines, natural sources of omega-3s that help relieve joint pain and stabilize the cardiovascular system. Strawberry blueberries, rich in anthocyanins, known as the blue of youth. It's not a miracle, but a smart daily habit. If you want to maintain your strength and memory in your 70s, make these superfoods a regular part of your plate. Many people think that eating right is enough. But the truth is, water is the foundation of longevity. After 60, the feeling of thirst decreases, and this is the reason why millions of seniors fall into a state of chronic dehydration without even knowing it. Imagine, if the body is only 2% dehydrated, the metabolism will decrease by 30%. This means that you feel tired, stiff joints, and slow memory, just because you don't drink enough water. The solution is simple but powerful. Drink a glass of warm water when you wake up. Eat foods that contain water, such as cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. Avoid excessive coffee, as it causes mild dehydration. Add some natural mineral salts or lemon to water, which helps the body absorb better. The human body after 60 no longer needs too much energy, but needs balance. And water is the thread that connects all cells of life. After age 60, muscle mass declines by 3 to 5% per decade if not properly nourished. But the secret isn't to eat more, it's to eat the right proportions. Cut of meat protein helps maintain muscle mass, rebuild tissue. Choose eggs, fish, lentils, or Greek yogurt. Avocado. Good fats, like those from olive oil, walnuts, or chia seeds, help absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. Cooked rice. Complex carbs, oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, provide slow energy, stabilizing blood sugar. Think of each meal as a nutritional symphony, where protein is the drumbeat, fat is the bass, and carbs are the background music. When coordinated correctly, your body will sing back with flexibility, clarity, and endurance that lasts a lifetime. Vitamins and minerals are small but important. Calcium, vitamin D, B12, magnesium, all directly affect bones, nerves, and energy. Imagine building a house without nails and cement. That's a micronutrient deficiency. A true longevity plate always includes dark green vegetables, source of vitamin K, folate, fresh fruit, vitamin C, antioxidants, small seafood, iodine, zinc, whole grains, selenium, magnesium. Plus, get your blood checked regularly to make sure you're getting the right vitamins. Your body is lacking. Longevity doesn't come from luck, it comes from the little things you do every day, consciously. Did you know that how you eat is more important than what you eat? After age 60, the digestive system slows down, and eating quickly or when stressed can make your stomach work less efficiently. Mindful eating is the art of turning each meal into a living ritual. Smell the aroma before eating. Eat slowly, chew thoroughly, savor the texture and natural sweetness. Don't eat while watching TV or scrolling through your phone. When you eat in silence, your parasympathetic nervous system is more active, helping with digestion, absorption, and healing. That's how Japanese and Mediterranean people maintain their incredible longevity over decades. Food is the root, but lifestyle is the soil that nourishes longevity. You can eat healthy, but if you are constantly stressed, sleep deprived, or lonely, your body will still be weak. Science shows that social isolation has the same impact on longevity as smoking. Walk 20 minutes a day in the morning sunlight, laugh more, maintain positive relationships, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep regularly, and every morning, say thank you to yourself. Your 60s are not the end, they are a new chapter of awakening and rebirth. So what does a longevity plate look like? Backhand index pointing right. Imagine your plate divided like this. 1/2 plate is green vegetables and fresh fruit. 1/4 is high quality protein, salmon, eggs, beans. 1/4 is complex carbs, oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, and besides, a glass of warm lemon water and a smile. This is not a rigid formula, but a harmony between taste, energy, and spirit. Because longevity is not about dieting, but about living the right way every day. Researchers from Harvard, Okinawa, and the Mediterranean followed tens of thousands of seniors for 40 years. The results? The longest-lived people ate natural, minimally processed foods and maintained a positive outlook. No one lived long on supplements, they lived long on simple meals, eaten with joy, and shared with others. That's the real secret of a longevity plate, a blend of science, nature, and gratitude. If you're here, know this: you're choosing to live more fully every day. Longevity isn't just about the number of years you live, it's about the quality of every breath, every meal, every smile. If this video gives you inspiration or useful knowledge, red heart, please like, share, and subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey channel so I have the motivation to make more meaningful videos every day. Thank you for being here, for caring about your health, and remember, 60 is not the beginning of the end, but the beginning of real life. Do you want me to create stock video suggestions, pexels/pixabay/videvo, for each segment 1 to 15 with editing effects, slow zoom, warm tone, cinematic captions, for you to create faceless videos right away?